So here guys, fire and soundproof insulation. We have a lot of work to do. Now we basically just take these shapes and cut it out in our actual foam. Cut out 2 of each of the shapes because I know this is gonna sink in, but I think this is okay. Oh, that's comfy as. Oh, let's see if my sister has enough fabric for this, or if we have to make a quick run to Fabricland. She brought all of her fashion school stuff here, so we got some selection to choose from. Really wanted green or black. Let's see if she has enough. Yeah, no. This is definitely not gonna be enough. This is actually the perfect Kelly green color, so I'm gonna try to get something similar to this. Let's go to Fabricland. I'm actually getting my sister's help to help me sew mattress covers.
Damn, so small.
What the hell?
What do you mean? What?
That's sarcastic. Just kidding.
No, he said behind you.
Huh? Oh, no way! Oh my gosh! I thought you said fine. Wash. Already got one done. Dude, you crushed this so fast. Oh my god, I'm surprised.
Oh.
Look at this. So what my sister ended up doing is like the pillowcase technique. So we didn't actually end up using the zippers, but this worked out, man. This is awesome. Product test, product test. Oh! I'll sit. Whoa. That's gonna work out so perfectly. That is so sick. Yeah. You hold this for a second. I'll put that on. So this is how this works. Piano. Yo! Whoa, cool.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you. Whoa, that's like perfect. Tester, tester.
Oh.
How's that?
Yeah.
Here's for the rest. Oh, yeah. Test that out.
Oh, okay. This one goes
Cool.
here?
Yeah.
Oh.
Cool.
Okay, sleep.
Wow, that's so perfect. Oh my gosh. My turn to test. Yo, this is so perfect. Like once the table's here,
Yeah.
I'm gonna mount a little TV there.
Dang, I like it.
Oh, I like this too. This is so sick. Okay.
Wow, Kuya.
Cool, cool. Wow, dude, I could actually sleep on this.
I mean.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm excited, man. Okay, still
Awesome.
lots of work to do though. Okay, beauty shots. I picked this up the other day. See, now I'm home most of the time. I figured having home security or some sort of security system wouldn't hurt. And speaking of security, actually brings us to the sponsor of today's video, Surfshark. Wow, another VPN sponsored ad. Nah, bro. Well, actually, I gotta eat, but I also gotta get my fix of geo-restricted content. If you're someone who enjoys doing computer work remotely, like at a coffee shop, and you're entering some personal info on the webs, or even like checking bank statements on your phone, using somebody else's Wi-Fi means your information is out in that IP address's ether. Wouldn't it be nice to just be able to turn on a button so you can surf the web anonymously? Trust me, you only think incognito mode is hiding everything. I've always been too carefree of a person and fairly neutral when it comes to anything. But with something like Surfshark, you can save yourself from any of that worry, at least online. I want to say Surfshark is actually one of the better priced VPNs out there. The app itself is super intuitive. You just choose the server you want, and that's pretty much it. You encrypt your data, and it becomes unreadable for anyone even smart enough to do the hacking. And it's also compatible with all devices. But enough about that. The real reason why you want this is so you can bypass major streaming services' country-biased content. We all know that Canada Netflix selection sucks, or maybe you just love to watch Man on High Heels, which is actually only available in Korea. But of course, you're in a censorship-heavy country. Surfshark bypasses all of the blocked content by simply switching your IP address to that location. Over 65 countries and around 3,200 different servers means you have plenty of different places you could virtually be using the internet from. So try it out. And like I was saying, guys, if you want an extra 83% off your first trial, all you gotta do is enter the promo code KINGS. And if you use the link in my description, you get the first 3 months for free. So, I mean, what? I'm on the 3-month free trial right now. Huge thanks to Surfshark for sponsoring this video. Now back to the mini camper build. Just grabbing wheels from the storage locker for our XB. Where do we even get started, man? Oh. Oh, what? It wasn't even. Alright, so we found that one of the tires was actually not inflated. So we tried using Shane's machine that he got out of his Mustang. But look what happened. What is that? Honestly, it kind of smells like paint. But we tried putting some air into this tire and then just started spurting this white stuff all over the place. So weird. Like that came out of that machine, bro.
Did you ever push this?
Huh?
It's like still coming out. Look. Did you ever push that?
No, what is that?
I don't know.
Oh man.
That's
Yeah.
weird. What the fuck?
It came with the Mustang?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, good thing you didn't use it for your Mustang. Great. Okay, truth be told, not completely satisfied with my wood finishing skills. Beginner wood stainer here, okay? Definitely need practice. So I went over to Home Depot and picked up this wood looking tabletop adhesive. We'll just pretend, okay? last but not least, now obviously I still have to cut the hole. Dude, this actually looks decent. Not bad. It's a lot smoother. So on one side here we'll have a couple of mini batteries. Maybe I'll make another little platform here to elevate it a bit. We'll have the inverter in this little cabinet part as well. All of the wires will be fed through there, going into the underneath of the sink. The idea is to create a tubing system here, silicone it up, and just have it fed through the back. On one side we'll have our mini fridge. On this side we'll have either like a 3 to 5 liter jug of clean water that will connect to our sink here. There's like a perfect height for you to put a water bottle in here. We do still have access to our hidden door. I just have to figure out a better handle system for it. There will be enough space underneath our couch to actually fit other things in there, like tools and stuff. And then up here there's a little nook which I can put some magazines, some extra prints and poster paper. And here is a pantry as well as art supply cabinet. This is where all our drawing tools are gonna go, and food, cans of Spam, whatever else we can fit in there. I actually made sure a bottle can fit in here perfectly. So if we wanted, you can put water. Oh, not a Dasani bottle. I don't know why, but Dasani bottles are normally tall. But smaller bottles like that fit just fine. And then if you open this side, now the idea is to have the tube go from here, back here a little bit, right here, down into here, and I think I might make an extra hole here, like a little indent in the wood, have it fed through here, and we'll have an extra like 5 liter water reservoir on this side. That excess water we can use for like cleaning our hands and shoes and stuff. Our mini fridge we picked up off of Amazon. It's a 10 liter cubic AC portable mini fridge. It looks like this, super clean. Let me show you how snug. Check it. Can even go through on one side. Look at that. Voila. That's so awesome. The electronics are in there. Make sure to tie it down somehow so it's stationary, not like moving around when I'm driving, but yeah, it's a perfect spot for it. Last piece. It fits so perfect. Look at that. All right. Ow! Again! Ow! Yeah, no. This is kind of small, bros. But it's okay. You know, it's quaint. That's the word. Homely and quaint. So it's not completed 100%, but to a degree. Like, we have the foundation of what it's gonna be looking like in here, and you guys got a better idea, right? These cabinets though, they're all set. The shelves are in them. Now it's just a matter of finessing everything that we built to this point. I still plan on basically blacking out everything in here. So taking off the trim pieces, painting them myself, probably spray painting them and glossing them up. We're also going to be turning our headliner black, and while it's off, I plan on putting those Starlight fiber optic lights that Rolls Royces have. I don't know, for me it's more so a learning experience, but I think it's a pretty lit idea. So we still have to do the tubing system for the sink. I plan on painting the rest of these cabinets black. I think I should have did that while the doors were off. But yeah, hopefully this works, man. Like, I can sleep here and Gohan can just lay down here. This is his spot. It's almost there, guys. I don't know, I've just really put it on the back burner. Not having a garage, well, I take this for granted. We do have a garage. I've just gotten used to the idea of working in a shop space, but you know what? Work with what you got. I don't know, I've taken a step back in the car scene, kind of not gonna quit completely, but just gonna be redirecting my focuses more on my art. So, I mean, if you guys want, you can follow me on the Discord, first of all, and also follow me on the Sup Birdy art YouTube channel, because that's where I'm gonna be streaming mostly, as well as Twitch, twitch.tv/propgame. Follow us there, because we go live a lot, doing the art stuff, and I'm gonna be posting more tutorial/helpful guidance type videos on that art YouTube channel. I feel bad, man. Like, you guys were expecting me to come out with more videos, and I kept promising I would, but it's that saying, when you chase 2 rabbits, you end up with none. Trying to pursue 2 crazy, huge business ideas means me diluting myself down to only giving 50% effort into both. And that's just if you have 2 things. Like me, I tried dipping my toes in everything. It's fun in that you learn a lot, you meet a lot of people, gain a lot of skill sets, but when you already have one thing that's working, put all 100% of your effort into that one thing and see how far you can take it. I just got a little over ambitious, you know, and I stopped cherishing my ambitions, the ones that I had on my plate already. So a lot to think about, you know. And life humbles you in mysterious but deserving ways. We'll leave it at that, guys. Hopefully we see you in a future video sometime soon. I don't know if it's gonna be car related. It could just be like a campaign video. I started scripting and writing more. Like I was really into creative writing, writing poetry, writing lyrics for songs that I would try to sing myself. I may be Filipino, but I do not know how to sing. Also, guys, cultivate your creativity. If there's one thing I learned in life, it's that if you're stressed out, or if you're worried about something, or are depressed, or suppressing some sort of feeling, the best way to get it out is through expression. The better way is through something creative, using your hands. Like, could be through music, through car stuff, you know? Carpentry, building furniture. It doesn't even have to be like to this extent. It can be crafts using construction paper like origami. Guys, it's endless, and especially in this digital age, you can learn something. Actually, believe it or not, TikTok is actually used as a search engine more than Google nowadays, and YouTube, because of its short format. So people who want to learn new skills, just type it in TikTok and you're able to learn that skill within a matter of seconds, really. It's crazy. So yeah, what's stopping you is yourself. Now I really need to say that to myself because, yeah, I lost my way somewhere along the line. I just have to refine my old Birdy, you know, the one that got here with minimal ego. That's it for now, I guess. Appreciate you guys for watching. And yeah, if you want to get updated on when new videos come out on this channel, don't know when it's gonna be. It might be an update video letting you guys know, again, where I'm at in life. Another selfless wellness check, you know? Be sure to check up on your friends as much as you should be checking up on yourself. If you guys want to get updated when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button, drop a like, leave some good vibes in the comments, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.
In the merry-go-round, even though I'm grown, I know I'm still a child at the bone, 'cause I merry-go-round. Even though I'm on my own, I'll always be a child at the bone in the merry-go-round. Even though I'm grown, I know I'm still a child at the